Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for life insurance with Prudential, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Prudential website to get started. Look for the life insurance section on the homepage. Click on the option that says get a quote or start your application. Choose the type of life insurance policy that best fits your needs. You may find options like term life, whole life, or universal life. Fill out the initial questionnaire to assess your insurance needs. Provide basic personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Be prepared to input details about your health history. Expect questions about existing medical conditions and lifestyle habits. Review your answers carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit your initial application for a preliminary review. Once submitted, you may receive a quote based on your information. If you're satisfied with the quote, proceed to the next step. You may be required to create an account to continue. Follow the prompts to set up your personal account securely. Log into your new account using your credentials. Complete any additional questions required for the application. This may include information about your income and occupation. After you input all necessary details, review your application for accuracy. Submit the application to Prudential for further processing. Be prepared for a follow-up from a Prudential representative. They will guide you through the next steps in the underwriting process. This may involve a medical exam or additional documentation. Once the underwriting is completed, you will receive an official offer. Review the terms of your life insurance policy carefully. If you agree with the terms, sign the policy documents. Make your first premium payment to activate your coverage. Congratulations, you are now registered for life insurance with Prudential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.